We have changed the way supports work in the latest version of automet. This video will explain how to input and survey different types of supports. When in Design Input, we can add a support by right-clicking and adding a pipe connection. Edit your connection and change the drop-down here to Support. We can choose between plate, box, and cylinder here. We'll start with plate. The line and branch geometry has not changed, and as usual, we can add distance from the pipe connection here. The support length can be changed here, and the direction here. This is where we edit the plate dimensions. And here is our support plate. Let's run through changing this to a box support. Edit the fitting and change the drop down. And now we have a box support. As usual, if you need to change the dimensions of the support, edit the fitting. The cylinder is the part that is the most different to previous automet versions. Select cylinder from the drop-down and you will see a new drop-down box appear. Here you can select the specification of your cylinder. And here is your cylinder pipe support. If you have a cylinder pipe support without a plate at the end, you should add a stab in. So that's how to create supports in Design Input. Let's now look at how to survey them. The method that will provide the most accurate answer within automet is to survey 5 points on the bottom of the plate. These points, also known as edge points, include 2 along one of the longer sides, and then 1 on each of the other 3 sides, making a total of 5. Once this has been done, automet will expect a back point and a stop point as usual. Remember that the stop point is a single point on the opposite face to the edge points. The minimum number of edge points required in automet is 3, 2 along one of the longest sides and 1 on one of the sides adjacent to the long side. Importantly, you cannot have your single point be the one opposite to the side where you took the initial 2 points. These arrangements on screen will not work. If you're doing a site survey and can't get to the face of the base plate, you can take the edge points on the back face of the plate. In this case, the stop point is taken by placing the prism on the deck. The same rules for the edge points still apply. These orientations are not allowed.